from Part C, long answer questions. A vegetable garden is represented by the trapezoid ABCD on the right. The trapezoid's diagonal AC and BD intersect at point O. AC and BD intersect here at point O. We know that O to A is 4.48. We know that O to C is 3.2. We know O to B is 2.8, and that angle BOC is 120. That means angle AOD is also 120. Angle CBD, that's this angle, is congruent to ADB. ADB. This is your parallel line. This is your transversal. This is the other parallel line. We can see a nice Z pattern right here. This angle is the same as this angle. They're both in the interior of the two parallel lines. They're both on alternate sides of the transversal. So this is alternate interior. Angle CBD is congruent to angle ADB because alternate interior angles are congruent. Angle BCA, this angle is congruent to that angle. This is now the transversal. This angle is alternate interior to this angle. These two angles also must be congruent. BCA, B to C to A, is congruent to C to A to D. Alternate interior angles are congruent. We can also say that BOC, this angle, is congruent to this angle, AOD. Vertically opposite angles are congruent. We have three angles that are congruent. We only needed two. We can say that triangle BOC, this triangle, is similar to AOD, this triangle, by AA, by angle. Side CO, this is the longer of these two sides, so CO to AO is the same as BO to DO, which is 3.2 over 4.48 is 2.8 over DO. I'm going to cross multiply, switch the DO into 3.2. Then I'm going to cross multiply. I'm going to multiply the 4.48 by the 2.8. I'm going to switch the 3.2 and the DO. That's going to give me DO is equal to 4.48 times 2.8 divided by the 3.2, which is 3.92. We know that this is 3.92. This is my angle D. I'm going to call this side D, and I'm going to call this side A. I'm going to use the sine rule for the area of a triangle. The sine rule for the area of a triangle is, if you have a triangle like this, the area is side A times side B times the sine of the angle that is not A and B, so C. A times B times sine C divided by 2. We're after the area of this. We know angle O. We're going to replace the C with angle O. The side opposite O would be this. The other two sides would be A and D. The area of the triangle is going to be side A times side D, this side times that side, times the sine of 120 divided by 2. 3.92 times 4.48 times sine of 120 divided by 2. That gives us 7.6 meters squared. That's it for question number 1. Have a good day.